Hello my noodles, and hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Shaye Juan. Every time you guys come in here, it's like I have new hair. I know, cat is out of the bag. My hair is orange, like orange you glad I didn't stay banana. Today's video is about that time of the month. Okay, I think that came out wrong. Today's video is about my favorite subscription bag. If you guessed it, it's the booty bag. If you don't know what a booty bag is, let me tell you something. Booty bag is a monthly panty subscription service. $12 a month, you get two pairs of panties. You get to pick between thongs or cheeky ones, or you can also get surprised every month. Or if 1 month you might want thongs, 1 month you want cheeky ones, 1 month you want to be surprised. You can change it every month. It's all up to you and how you want to do your booty bag. And the cool thing about booty bag also, not to mention that, you know, everything I just said, is that when you take a photo on Instagram and hashtag #matters with your post, Booty Bag will donate $1 to the Melanoma Foundation. So finally, our selfies have a cause. And the bag I'm actually about to open right now is for February's undies. So they haven't even been out yet. They're about to come out right now. So I think we should just get started. I seriously just came here from my mailbox. That's why we are still in our pretty pink packaging. So every time you get your bag, it looks like this. It says, "Hello babe, I'm here, XO booty bag." So easy to open, easy peasy. I ordered size medium. This is the front, which is really cute, lacy, and it's actually sheer. Hello! And this is the back, in which it's a little bit smaller in the back. It's still cheeky, you know, we can see a little cheek there, a little cheek to cheek. But the front part is not sheer. You got all your goods covered, let's just say. This is the other style, and these are blue, and I love the color of these. Are you kidding me? This is like a royal periwinkle. It's like a deeper periwinkle. A muted navy blue, an antique royal Prince blue. I'm just making up names for it because it's a really pretty color and maybe words can't describe what kind of color it is. This is the front of, and then this is the back where they're sheer and cheeky. And I really like the band. There's like triple banding on here. They're very stretchy, very comfortable. Which one are your favorite ones? Why don't you guys let me know in the comments below? For the most part, every time I do a booty bag video, you guys tend to agree with my favorites, which is great because we all have the same taste in underwear then. And that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And of course, I will also leave the link to Booty Bag down below as well. And I hope to see you all in my next video. I love all of you. Toodles!